Hello, my friends. Let me share with you a bird feeder that I had recently made.
This is the queen palm, and you see those pointy things that are radiating from the center. Those are the flower pods that produce the flower and then the seeds, and that's what we are going to be using. Here are a couple of the flower pods, and sometimes they don't open, and that's the ones that I'm using. I'm going to put perches and drill these holes, and what I'm doing is sizing the dowel with this drill index that I have that's empty, but it's perfect for sizing. So then we just take our bit, just like that. What I have here is plenty of rags. This is water-based paint, and this is oil-based paint, Rust-Oleum, and paint thinner. So what I'm going to do is give this a heavy coat. This paint says fast drying, a little bit too fast. And you can stop whenever you think it's good.
Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.